Welcome to FunKits. We are on a mission to transform passive screen time into active, smart time. We blend cinema-quality 3D animation with safe technology to teach science, nature, and moral values. Designed for ages 3 to 8, our ad-free bundles offer a complete learning experience you can trust. Give your child the gift of knowledge today. Hi, transform your child's learning with the ultimate 3D Dino Adventure. This all-in-one bundle features 4 cinema-quality 3D episodes, read-along storybooks, and interactive quizzes. Plus, you'll get our Smart Parents Guide to help you discuss morals and vocabulary with your child. Special offer: buy today and get our Playtime Color World book with 100 printable coloring pages, completely free. It's the perfect mix of online discovery and offline creativity. Instant access, safe, and ad-free.